It is early morning in Venice. Before the light of the sun fills the famous Piazza San Marco, the traders of Venice are getting ready for the crowds of tourists. In a few hours, thousands of people will come to this square. But for now, the people of Venice have the city to themselves. Market traders welcome the first visitors.
Signore, buongiorno. Prego.
Early morning is the best time for shopping in the outdoor markets.
We have many kinds of fish.
This is the part of Venice that most visitors never see. This is the Venice that some people call home. Resident Fabrizio Copano says that he lives in the most beautiful city in the world. It's a city that's clean and easy to live in, with a high quality of life. But for some people, Venice has disadvantages too.
My son, he doesn't live in Venice. I'm very sorry.
The population of Venice is getting increasingly older. Why? Fabrizio says living in Venice is not cheap. Property is particularly expensive, and housing prices have increased a lot in recent years. It's especially difficult for young people looking for their own place to live. Many of them must move away, leaving Venice to the tourists. It seems like the whole world has come here to the Piazza San Marco. The tourists come to experience a city that feels like it's still in the 15th century. And some local people say that's the problem.
Venice did change a lot since I was born.
Giovanni dal Misier is one of the younger people trying to stay in his hometown. During the day, the huge crowds of visitors can make just getting home from work very difficult.
I get bored with people and with the tourists because there are too many.
Jobs are another problem. Do you want to be a gondolier or work with tourists? If not, it can be difficult to earn a living here. But some say that the young people leaving Venice will soon find that other cities are not so different.
Florence is very expensive. Rome is very expensive. London, Paris, Vienna.
It has been said that anyone who comes to Venice will fall in love, even if it's only with Venice itself. Giovanni dal Misier knows the feeling. He says that despite all the challenges here, it's hard to think of living anywhere else.
I know that it's a very special gift that for me it's a gift to live in a city as Venice.
Only a few people get to enjoy living in Venice. These days, even fewer people are ready to face the challenges of living here. But for those who stay, it can be a wonderful experience. Every day, they can experience the joy of falling in love with Venice all over again.